talk to me, I will finish you. China, don't go gossip party. China, don't go gossip party. But now you clean up. I'm going to clean the challenge. Challenge to you put us for this problem. I'm going to push you for my work.
I ask a question and I need an answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Pius.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job in this house?
Yes, sir. Oh, my job. Madam, my job na to driving.
English, please.
Huh?
I don't understand the nonsense you are vomiting.
English. What is yellow? What is yellow? You know what I'm saying, Maka. Money, how don't go to any English. How would I want to have you? I'm my body to Kwangi came. Here your bow, Ahmad. So, when
I said English.
Madam, I did you can say, what I guess it's a piano, Cameron, Madam. You would have why I wouldn't cause a madman, so no besides, no service speaker. Mana, is, was, where in Ghana, like a horror auntie. Would you get city and Ghana question? I am a when I mamma to quick him. Before I was also to the good thing, before my papa died. It was too much English, na killer. So now make it say, "Oh, I know she killed the no lao." And I got to go one near. Not no good die one time. So, but course na day. I'm really encourage you, wow, but Chezaka Warombo. So,
I don't care how you fix it. All I want to hear, and right now, is why I am paying you.
The reason why you are paying me. Go back. So the is to wash, drive, go back. Go back. Give second half. So it weren't my fault. Wasn't I?
You wasn't?
Yes, you wasn't.
From my investigation.
Yes, ma.
Pius.
Yes, ma.
I was told you weren't doing anything since morning.
Huh?
Before I called you to pick me up at the airport. Secondly, Gold is my nephew, and I know him too well. He can never, ever stoop too low to wash his cousin's car, unless I ask him to. And thirdly, Nebu.
Madam.
We weren't doing anything since morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Why didn't you wash the car?
That time.
English, please.
Mmiri akwala m n'akwa mmiri ofe ọkwụrụ akwala m na white as as a trained police officer in Beijing, China. As a well-trained police officer in Beijing, China, it was not incumbent. It was not my duty to onto Enatabrokos incumbent machinery. When looking at those onto cars, it was so abrogative for me to be washing them. So, according to my duty in the gate, it was so disfigured. It was so disfigured.
Disfigured in what?
Meaning, say, all these things we are just spoke and they spark, and they speaking now. Means that anything about car or motor or anything will get four leg or automobile or even goat, anything will get four leg that I should not go onto close to touch anything. That is
well, since you can't defend yourselves, I will deduct your salaries. Period.
Madam, I swear to God, I no follow. Madam, I beg, don't touch my salary. I beg, I swear to God, I no follow. I beg, don't deduct my salary, me, Karo. Me, I no follow for car, this figure. I beg, I no follow. Madam, na me, Karo. Carolina, you are chef, you are cook worldwide, Madam, na me.
What is the problem? What is your problem? See, we're not taking English, you put us for trouble. See, we're doing English to do us here. We're not free for my footstep. When never start is now was
Which is?
If you talk, Seven don't go gossip. Parrot, your mates there for office, they do work. Who will be here, only cleaner. I go behind. When I go fight. For this, when I come salary, make I see.
You know even the shame. You know the shame. No. English, na come make madam say Ingo come out our salary.
See, person they talk of English.
It's really good to why you talk English. See, what you spoke here is it a good English?
Don't even go there. Don't even go there because now your money I dey use complete my own salary.
Don't your money I don't fight that your mouth. See this one right here. We gather all the arrow need them on get bullet here. What day you go get alive?
That one is your business. See, for this house, no go eat all of now.
See you. I can pull here, but I won't get now.
Look at
you. What did they do? You said hand for me.
So, girlfriend, I hope you're enjoying the whole environment and all that.
Yeah, I'm actually enjoying here. What about you? What's going on with you?
You've seen me now. I'm enjoying everything. So that reminds me, when do you intend going back?
For now, I have no idea. Mama just came back into town, and it seems like she has a lot of things going on for me, lined up for me. So probably I'm gonna have a conversation with her today, and I would have a date set.
Okay, that's okay. Hey, that reminds me. Lizzie, why don't you come to my house again?
Girl, do you need the microphone to announce that? Of course, your brother, the pest.
That's not an excuse, girlfriend.
It's a big excuse, a good one for that matter. Who wants to be around a stalker?
Wait, I hope you're not trying to call my brother a stalker.
But that's what I just said. He is a stalker. I just like my privacy. I don't want no noise. I mean, aside from that, Nigeria is not as safe as it used to be. So I just rather, be at home or something. Mommy wants me to stay home.
All right, if you say so, it's okay.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Lizzie, Mom sent for you.
Okay, she did. Okay, tell her I'm gonna be right with her shortly.
One of the employees?
No, that's my niece.
Your what?
What you mean?
That thing?
What you mean she's a teen? That's a straight up human being. And she is the best thing that ever happened to me, the most trustworthy person in my life. That girl has always been there for me. You don't bring people down that way. You never know who is who. Girl, just put your life together. Control your tongue. Well, let me go see my mama, okay? And I'll be right back, okay?
I'll be waiting.
All right, take care.
Oh, driver's license, international pattern of greeting. Hey, hi.
Hey, Piers, what's the occasion? Why are you dressed like that?
Oh, madam, sorry I no tell you on time. Today, na the day where all the drivers in the whole universe, both abroad, both local, both inside the ship, today na special day for us. And this is the way we dey dress for London. If you go London, anybody where they drive, whatever way they drive, now like this you go dress. And I don't see I'm saying me, I am not going to meet up. Now he make a dress like this. Say I say me and you they enter supermarket where you want to go do picking pocket. Anybody where behind your tail gurum, you go understand say only I would do local pilot. Me him wo international and local. Madam, move into the car. Let us move.
Wait, hang on 1 second. What is that on your mouth? What are you wearing? You look so funny.
Oh, madam, it is called facial mask.
That don't look like
Anybody will enter inside plane. If you not put this in, you cannot pilot.
What is the meaning of this, Pius? Why will you use my pants for face mask or what? My pants, of course. Are you okay?
Wait. Hey! No wonder. And they show you creation come. Now panty be this. I think that in offering this way you carry come back that they give me wash. So that now katara panty be this.
You should be ashamed of your entire generation.
Yes, ma.
Can't you put your life together for once?
Yes, ma.
Goodness.
Hey.
Ah!
Anything will happen to my mouth, you no go like me. Hey, I want the panty money. I put in the panty.
I want you to do everything within your reach to make them speak good English. There are some messages I would like to send them, being that they can't defend themselves in public. I have to stress myself doing it. So, I want you to teach them how to speak very well. And I will pay you handsomely.
I've heard you, madam. I'm a philosopher. an aristocratic one. Don't worry. When I'm done with them, they will be speaking as if they have lived in the United States of America all through their lives.
Really?
This is what I do. Leave it to me, I'll handle it.
Do you care to take anything?
No, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I'm fine.
All right then.
Ma, you don't
Take
have
this
to.
to transport.
You don't have to. Well, it's okay. I appreciate.
She said I should give it to you.
Oh, okay. In that case, I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so I will take my leave now. When would you want me to resume?
Tomorrow.
Okay then. Tomorrow it is. See you.
Guys, they rush to go now. I think they know they like money. I think here they watch you. When madam give you that money, grab her. Like real lion, they grab and tell you. I also know my job. Now they come here for you know my job. You go die here. The job you know get her. They eat those rotten like a flash papers in the air. I
will do you
I just saw for a groom for the guy with you.
Nebu, what's that for?
I'm just doing my job. You know, as a chief security officer, I need to ask you some questions before you leave the house. Yes, sir.
Hello, Grace. How are you? Yes, but Grace, he looks more handsome than you said. You know, when it comes to my children, I don't take chances. I don't want any riffraff around my children. Yes, you said so that he's gay, but is he gay or just... Alright, if you say so. You know the plans I have for my children. Alright. We'll see soon. Or are you not coming for Senator Richie's birthday party? Of course, I will see you there. All right, my good friend. Take care.
Madam! Oh, sorry, ma.
Didn't you hear me calling you? Where's your phone?
I put them for fire. My phone dey inside fire, they burn. I think they burn, the power. No verse, ma.
If you like, microwave it. You can even boil it.
Yes, ma.
Take this money, rush to the market and get me food items. You know, Carol is not feeling too strong. And in your profile, you said you can cook. So you are making dinner for us this night.
Hey. And please now, don't do me this thing. You want me to poison me? You know this kind family workers or these compound workers. Most times, most of us can be dangerous. Ufonye munikebula chere na kaga hunje mtigishi nishi na udumo ya komi ukuma hapo ebashu. Please Biko, putting me to cook for Carol department. It go danger my life. Carol fit think say I want collect her position. You know as Carol big for front. She feel transfer this her bigness hotel, transfer me anoko. My leg no go enter shoe again, you have a left hand tie. Because send me another thing. Leave food matter. Make she manage cook. Buko.
Pius,
Ma?
go to the market. Buy the necessary food item for bitter leaf soup.
Huh? Bitter leaf soup? Hey! Praise the Lord! Madam, you went them na sikitu. You went them na one corner. You went to go na incomplete building. You bela makana dangerous. You went them na incomplete. In fact, ngai no ba na incomplete. You need na erigi. That's not you talk. Bitter leaf soup or kwane. Yeah, my specialization of my grandmama. You know, see, my grandmama na from Anambra. And you know Anambra people, they can cook bitter leaf like no other person. Mam kuku, sahere go green bitter leaf. Hey, da. Sometimes she go even mess join that. Ogri nation. And mam kuku nation. Don't worry. Since na bitter leaf soup. Oh, bani triga abano this compound. Oh, bani triga abano this compound go hear the other. Bitter leaf soup. The area of my specialization. Ihem geshi. Oh, ihem geshi. Ebo. Ihem geshi or the nakachuku. Madam, ta. Yes.
Be fast about it.
I will. I go cook am like idiot, nothing mega. Up idiot can wo. Unu get him ta. Go. Woo! Ihem geshi. Hey, ihem geshi odinaka chukwu. Unu ga ni shogiri, ihem geshi. Aga ma azu chogiri 10,000 kojo ye ni tofe. Do that thing quick. If you don't finish am now, you go carry water wash and put am inside pot. Sharp, also so the thing need to done before the soup go start. If you don't put them like that, you go take knife, cut them each leaf into two, cut them finish. Wash them like that, put them inside soup.
I don't understand. Pius, why are you going for the fresh bitter leaf?
Before I go use a line here, fried one to do it. Before na fried with the what bitter leaf I go come get mon come pram. Now I go use cooker.
Okay, let me ask you. How are you going to do about the bitterness?
What is the name of the soup they cook?
Bitter leaf, of course.
Bitter leaf soup. So, bitter leaf soup make it turn to line here, saccharin soup. Mawu sugarin soup. Or soup will be say if you touch them, you go the sweet. They call them bitter leaf. Bitter go live inside the soup.
Okay.
Bitter leaf soup.
Okay.
If you cook anything apart from bitter leaf soup, that means you no come out there. No come teach me work. When I don't dey cook, they never born you.
They never born you.
Ncha won't go enter them.
You work Adam and Chong for bitter leaf soup.
You don't go there before they give you medicine. They go bring all these things to put inside cup for you. Put them can say me you drink them. All of them are medicine. Bitter leaf. Now him be the real name. Not all this one when they cook. Go wash and come out the bitter. Go come out. You go call them chaff soup. This one na bitter leaf. Bitter go live inside. That's what they cook am. Don't teach me work.
You know what, Pius? I don't think I'll be here and watch you do this rubbish. I'll not watch you cook this nonsense. I'm out of here.
See, go and carry that onions. Cut out for me.
Sorry.
Carry it,
I'm going to be part of this nonsense that you are cooking.
Me they cook nonsense. Hey, Chineke na. I no go blame you now. You come here, come back, you come perch on top of chair. Like when some small thing, chair, you no go cook am. Come cut this in chanwo. Come cut am all this curry I buy here, you go put am. Groundnut oil, you go fry, you go do am. Yeah, you onions, dan wacha. People go come, they put other ingredients. Go come teach me how I go take cook. Now today I don't dey cook. Go to village, anybody wey die that time, na me they go call. Before I start all this nonsense work, when I turn me to madam inside kitchen. When I come, I got no be sim she run on me. I blame you. When I go brother, I can kiss me. Stupid girl. Come on, nothing you sabi. Bitter leaf. Bitter must live inside. Now be the continue name. You want to teach me work. It is inside you now. I go follow now cook all this una computerized food or big continuation food una dey cook. Me him she local food. I'm an African man. On him I be original African man. Any food where I cook must have cure inside the body. If you no cure tumor, you go cure heart pain. If you no cure heart pain, you go bring down BP. Okay, madam na this soup now go bring her head down. She go begin to shout like woman. Young and not from nonsense. I'm not going to blame you.
Pius, you did this?
I does.
This is wonderful. Very nice.
Otua.
Very nice. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'm okay. How would I go more back at it? What do you not dish?
I can see that. I can see that. Wow.
Yeah.
Pius.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then this year, what do you have for the near? I hear need the water mission some share bitter leaf. Yeah, put my wood to be take what they live with. Say in the leaf or what another madam give order. Say no, prepare bitter leaf. That's some man bitter leaf.
It's nice.
Oh.
It's nice. All right. Allow me to enjoy my food.
Oh, no. Enjoy your meal.
All right.
Enjoy your meal.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
I love you guys.